Hey guys, today we're gonna lipat to our new apartment. Yay. Okay, we're gonna go inside of our new apartment and this is it. It's my kasama. Hello. Hello. And we're gonna do apartment tour. This is our whole thing. Yo. What is it? Oh, is this the outing? This is the bathroom, guys. We have an aircon here and an aircon here. The reason why I'm doing English is because there might be an English people that are watching me, okay? Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Danyos, wag mo ito sasagi, ha? Ano kami na? Makapihan mo, hindi mo makikita. Makapihan. Okay. Danyos, wag mo hindi mo makikita ng kapihan namin. This is our thing. Our thing. Did you fart? No. Whoa. Okay. And we also have some a company. Here they are. This is Minion and Minecraft. Okay. Wait. Hey guys, Dave, you can. Panis huwag mo siyang hahawakan, ha? Ay, tubig natin. Tubig tayo. Okay. I have another tubig. Sabihin mo bakit tayo lumit. We have a dehumidifier. Tomorrow's? Sabihin mo bakit tayo lumipat ng apartment. How about let's say that tomorrow? No. Okay. The reason why we lipat to an apartment is because we were living in a room, and then it was super small, like just half of this room. And then some visitor come. Yeah, and they were super, like super tight. Yeah. So we had to lipat to all the way to here. So this is way bigger apartment. And we have TV too, but I have no internet. No, but it's working. We have no internet. Okay. Okay, we have, what's this? Actually, no. We have, oh, ano yung tumbler to? Kay Ate Luna. Hindi na lang. Maalam na hindi tayo lumipat ng apartment. Sabi mo, kay Ate Luna. Ano kay Ate Luna? Kay Ate Luna ng apartment? Yeah, we're just renting it. Yeah, we're just renting that apartment. Our here is so, clean. Yeah. Okay, guys, sorry. Sorry. The heck? There's some more coconut milk. This is some mommy milk. Thank you. Ano to? Ano? our hands is dirty, we have this. Alcohol. This. What is it? Oh, tuna stings. What is this? This is tuna stings. Tunas. So did I gumawa ng bracelet? Are you sure this is for a bracelet? I don't think so. Just a wrong joke. This is not even a bracelet. Hey guys, today we have mashi. Massager. Hold it. I'm mashi papa. Today we are kasama. We just lipat at the apartment. So yours on. So on Massager. Okay, he. Oh heck no! We're gonna massage your foot. Okay, thank you po. Bye bye. No. That was so quick. 6 minutes. It's not even over. Okay, guys, please subscribe. We're just doing this for fun. Yeah, because the apartment is so. Daniels, why are you? Hindi. Ako lang. Sige, mag-video pa tayo. Sige, mag-video pa. Ay! This is my kasama! Morning, guys. Okay, guys, we're gonna sleep. Okay. Until we're gonna pause this until we wake up. Wala. Don't tell me. Food. We're gonna sleep here because we are hungry. So we're gonna sleep here now. The next day. Wala. The next day. Uy! Umaga na! The next day, guys! Hello! Even it's been like 30 seconds. Say hello. Come on, Rios! Come here! Madaling araw na, hindi mo ba alam? Madaling araw na! Oh my God! Sabi ko ng bad word. Hindi nga yung bad word, ang kulit. Oh my God? Hindi nga. Does it show our kapehan? Ano mo siguro, king kape. No, that doesn't work. How about here? Ano ba ito galing sa mami mo? Okay. Saan ba niya nabili? Actually, don't know. They drinking coffee. It's not actual coffee, though. Hindi, peke kape. Peking kape. Because today is our celebration because we have over 100 million subscribers. Oh, Kuya Dan, celebrate tayo mamaya. Actually, it's not 100 million. It's actually just 100. 100 joke. And then I just have 1,000 million views. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Okay, we're gonna end it at when it reaches 10. Okay, 3, 2, 1.